The adductor pollicis. It's the strongest muscle in the hand, and there are two heads to it. There's an oblique head that starts at the base of the second and third metacarpal and the capitate, and there's also a transverse head that starts at the distal portion of the third metacarpal. And both insert onto the medial side of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. And the oblique head goes through the medial sesamoid bone. And its action is it adducts the thumb, adducts the thumb. And the nerve is the ulnar nerve, and the radial artery is the blood supply. Umbilicals. They originate on the tendons of the flexor digitorum profundus, and they insert into the proximal tendons of the extensor digitorum, the same finger. It flexes the fingers at the metacarpal phalangeal joint and extends the fingers at the proximal interphalangeal joints and the distal interphalangeal joints. So it does this motion. The median and ulnar nerve are the nerves, and the blood supply is the ulnar and radial artery. Palmar interossei manus. They originate from the base of the metacarpals, number 2, 4, and 5, and they adduct the fingers. And the ulnar nerve is the nerve, and the radial and ulnar arteries are the blood supply. Dorsal interossei manus. They originate from the bodies of the metacarpals of 1 to 5, and they're all bipinnate muscles. They all insert the base of the proximal phalanx of fingers number 2, 3, and 4. Basically, they abduct the fingers, number 2, number 3, both ways, left and right, and number 4 as well. They are innervated by the ulnar nerve, and the blood supply is the radial and ulnar arteries.